What do you think of Neche?
What do I think of Neche?
Yes. How would you describe her?
I would describe her as a nice young lady, I guess. That would be my definition. I don't think I have any other thing other than that.
Okay, sounds a little different from how you've described her to Sheba a few times, but I'll be back.
To Sheba, we discussed Neche before. No, we discussed Neche.
Okay. I don't know how to describe this situation. I feel like I see you, but I don't see you. But away from that, there seems to be a bro code going on this season with a lot of you, the boys. Do you trust all the boys this season? You do?
I do not trust the boys.
Who don't you trust?
I didn't trust Yusuf at first, but we had a conversation, so I feel like I might trust him a bit. But I still don't trust him, because I don't trust anybody, just myself. So yeah, just Yusuf.
Just Yusuf?
Yeah.
You trust Barry?
So with Barry, I don't see Barry. I'll say that. I don't see Barry.
Okay.